What is up, trappers? Check it out. We got the Blazer out here. We are at O'Reilly's Auto Parts here in Nappanee. We had a little cruise in. Wookie was here. Justin, he come by. Chris Hirschberger, he is here. So we're all just hanging out, guys. Day before he come by, he brought this bike, man. You guys got to check this out. We're going to get this flipped around here in just a second, and we're going to check it out. He's down here on the other side of Jonathan's journey. So we're going to get this flipped around. You see Jonathan, he got that light up pole back here, guys. You see that thing? When it gets dark, we'll get a good clip of that, because that's awesome. That's funny stuff. But we're going to get this flipped around. I'm going to show you this bike. Guys, we're out here. Chris, he's over here messing with the stereo. He had a little incident on the way. His box slid back. Speaker wire or something come. They're out here tonight, guys. Beautiful weather. You see we got the Blazer. Here's Jonathan. Yeah, let's see. Let's check out the turn signals right there. Woo. Jonathan's out here. Boy, he's mad over that one, man. He is too. He hit a raccoon. Knocked the bolt right out of his brake caliper. He's got his glow pole. Yeah. There's David. Right here it is, guys. Here's his bike. You say it's a V-twin, is that what it is? Or a V-rod? V-rod? Oh, he's got his 1320 shirt on too. Nice shirt, man. I just noticed that. Nice. Nice. Heck yeah. Man, Chris, he's bumping over here, ain't he? I'm deaf and I heard him. Yeah. And you said it was a limited edition, right?
Yeah, Night Rod.
Heck yeah, 1250?
1250.
Yeah. I like that seat, man. Is that stock?
No.
No? That's like an alligator texture, isn't it?
Yep. No.
Nice. Boy, you can have the gator boots to match that one.
Yeah.
Man, this is a nice bike, guys.
Thank you.
Look at this right here. You got the Harley logo right there. You see that? There's Cleveland. Look at the stripes, guys. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, heck yeah. Yeah, I wish Wookie would have stayed for a little longer. He brought the box out, but I figured he'd take the box back and go get the bike, you know what I mean? But I have to hit him up, tell him Dave's out, he brought the Harley, you better come out. Man, this side of the bike to me looks a lot different with the exhaust and everything.
It's my favorite side.
Yeah, I was going to say it's real pronounced, man. This side, it definitely has a camera side.
Yeah.
It does.
So if there's like half
The big disc brakes showing. Yeah, it's a nice bike, man. I like this thing for real. Heck yeah, well hopefully have a good summer. We have some good turnouts for some meets. Maybe we can just get it going like every week, you know what I mean? That way we can just say, hey, we're meeting and get everybody coming out. But for first meet, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for coming out, guys. I really appreciate it. What's up, Jeremiah? How are you? Are you having a good time, kid?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, hanging out with them.
You just playing with the little kids?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. You helping out, keeping an eye on them? Appreciate it, Bug. Ooh, who's on your shirt there, kid? Sonic? Nice.
90s classic.
What we telling, Bug?
Keep on trapping.
That's right. Chris got going on, man. He got his Pioneers, his Premiers in here. Shout out to Randy Woods. That's where I got those from. I think Chris likes them. He got his new amp. I think he likes his new amp a lot. I hear something going on in there. Let's go sneak peek. He's zip tying somebody up. Oh, he put his car seats back in here. Yeah. Well, you're getting to put back together. That's a good sign. He's smiling. He's not mad. We got the Blazer out here, guys. I put the color change lights on. I had the stereo on a minute ago. Ooh, I can hear the Nate Dogg already. I got the back seats let down. I was in there fooling around a minute ago. Oh yeah, we got it set for the lights. Oh, there's my coffee. I was looking for that. Let's go back here, guys. Let's see what we got going on back here. Let's check this out. It's a rumble pack right there. Guys, that's what we're out here doing. We're at O'Reilly's. Another shout out to O'Reilly's. I'm telling you guys, they're the auto parts professionals. If you need it, come get it, because I'm telling you, they got it. They're going to hook you up with the right stuff, what you need for your vehicle, and get you back on the road. Like I said, let me see your O face. But anyway, shout out to O'Reilly's. DJ, thank you, man. I appreciate you, brother. We'll be back out to see you. I think I might need that radiator. We're going to try one more thing, and then we're going to see. But I'll probably be to see you to get that radiator. But that's what we're doing out here, guys. We left the mini truck at home. I don't know. Maybe we'll bring it out next time. But anyway, that's what it is, guys. Till the next clip, keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.